Okay guys, today's a big day to get the muffler and everything on, but before we get on the road, I'm going to start the car up, let you guys hear the before and after. So this is before we get everything installed. Okay, we're getting that on there, and full exhaust. So we fire up, hold on. Okay, normally she's 3 pumps. Alright, that's what she sounds like. And let's go get that fixed. Okay guys, here we go. Well, let's get checked in and get this thing done. It's all different tips. We're going to be getting that tip. That's pretty neat. They got all these tips you can put on your car.